Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Ol' Bill's Barbecue. Today, we're smoking a beer can chicken. Follow along so you can do it too.
Alright, so we got our bird here. Let's take a look. Pretty good, nice and dry, no feathers still on there. We're going to use our SPG Sasquatch rub, homemade. Okay, you're just going to sprinkle it on there. Cover your whole bird pretty nice and liberally. Make sure the whole thing's covered. And we're going to throw it on the beer can. I always like to add a little bit of seasoning to the inside of the bird, just so that way you get seasoning from all angles. Alright, so we got our beer can, we got our Guinness Beer, nice dark beer, give it some good flavor. We're going to just put our chicken right on top of it. It's going to stand there like it's dancing. Be ready to go to the ball. Now that it's sitting pretty, let's take it out to the smoker.
All right, we got our chicken on the can. We got our pit sitting at about 225 degrees. We're gonna throw it on the pit and we'll come back in a few hours.
Alright, as you can see, the top got a little bit darker than we were looking for, but otherwise it is a crispy, juicy bird. Okay, that happens when you put it too close to the firebox, but we were limited on space at the time, so it is what it is. We're going to just show you how juicy it is once we pick this bird up. Just you wait. You'll see the juices pour from it as soon as we tip it on its side. Look at those drippings. That's a nice tasty bird right there. Alright, we're going to just wrap it in foil and then wrap it in a towel and let it rest in our cooler for about 30 minutes. Let all those juices disperse back into it. Okay, and we'll see you there. Alright, we're back 30 minutes later. Let's cut a few slices off of this breast. Slices like butter. It is tender, it is juicy. Not dry at all, nice and moist. The skin is crispy. It is a beautiful chunk of meat. Look at that. Alright, we're going to take this chicken breast that we've sliced up and we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces so that way everyone around us can have something to try. Make for some happy, happy people. Trust me on that.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with what we do each week. We'll see you next week.